If you want to ace your exams and still have time left to enjoy, then these iPad apps will help you achieve that. If you're new here, hi, my name is Fyzan. I'm a fourth year medical student in Georgian National University. And let's start this video by dividing these apps into two categories. First one is learning, in which you will have apps that will help you get good grades. And the second one is time management, in which you will have apps which will help you organize your life so that you have time to enjoy your life. Let's start with learning apps. Number one on learning apps is GoodNote 6. GoodNote 6 is the best note-taking app in my opinion. You can import PDF, make notebooks and folders. You can also collaborate with other people in real time, and it has a built-in AI to help you out. Like the AI can detect an incorrect spelling and replace the word in your handwriting. You can also scribble to erase. This is my favorite feature. This app has a free version, but I suggest you to make a one-time payment of $30 because this investment will stay with you your lifetime. Next, we have a well-known app, ChatGPT, which is an amazing tool for students because it can give you important points for a big topic. It can explain new topic in simple words. For example, I can ask ChatGPT to explain me blood pressure as if he was explaining it to a 10-year-old using an example of a balloon, and it will explain me in simple words. You can also use ChatGPT to generate multiple choice questions for a topic that you have learned to test yourself. In short, ChatGPT is a very powerful tool and you can use it in many ways. And if you want a video on how to use ChatGPT efficiently for students, then let me know in the comments down below. Next up, we have RemNotes, which has been a game changer for me when it comes to knowledge management. Its spaced repetition features have made it so much easier for me to connect ideas and actually retain what I learn. The ability to nest documents helps me keep everything well organized. And I love how I can create flashcards right from my notes. The app's cross-platform availability helps me access it even on my Android phone. RemNote helped me a lot for remembering subjects like pharmacology. If you're a medical student, you know the horrors of pharmacology. Next one is a bonus app for learning. To get good grades, you need to give good presentations too, right? Then Canva is the best app that I have used to create presentations. It offers a wide range of interesting templates, which are really easy to use and customize. I highly suggest you to use this app to create presentations because you will stand out from other students, which will get you good grades. Mark my words. Now that we are done with learning apps, let's move on to the time management apps. But it's just one app. The only app that you will need for time management is Notion, which is an all-in-one workspace that lets you organize reading materials, notes, tasks in one place. This app is where I plan my videos, write my scripts, diary entries, notes about editing, etc. This is my favorite app, and if you have a student email, you can access all the features for free, except Notion AI. Please Notion, if you're watching this, make Notion AI for free for students. Anyways, if you want to learn how to use Notion, then I have a video on my channel that will help you get started with Notion. I'll mention the video in the description so that you can watch it after this video. These are the apps which really helped me, and I hope these will help you too. If you have any apps which will help us boost our productivity, then please let us know in the comments below. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.